Hi guys, and welcome to today's video, which is an experimental page. So this is the Studio Editions Memory and Women Layers of Becoming for May. I've cut all my pieces out, and what else? I like elements in the page, like some of the flowers, and whether I will... Ooh, what I might do with this one is cut the figure out and see how that looks, yeah? And I was thinking of maybe doing something that would... Ooh, what I'm thinking is making it more 3D. Yeah. Should we try that? So I'll need some card. I've got some card here, it's not big enough. So I've got this just from a milk carton. So yeah, should we do it? Yeah, come on in. Okay, I am running out of glue. I've got the PVA glue, but sometimes you just prefer to work with the glue stick. Okay, let's see what we got going on. So I just want to attach that there. Nicely done. And we're going to cut it out. So yeah, that's the beauty with just playing, really, because you're taking it into a direction that sometimes you think, oh, you know, I would never have thought of doing this particular thing. I started out with something, but it's now taken me on an adventure that is quite enjoyable. Okay. Yes. So I definitely need to get a nicer pair of scissors. Now, I was looking at putting that like on there so it's raised. So I want to retain some of this, and I want to retain this, but I want to also add additional colour. So I'm just going to stick that there. Okay, where's my... there. Excellent. Just double check, see if there's any bits that didn't stick as well. Okay, that's that. Right, so I want to prep this page. This is one of the other papers from a few months ago, from the geometric papers. So I've got my paint here. I need my brush now, and my little... got a whole lot of congestion on this table. Okay, so my little container that I've been working with, and the great thing about this is because it's plastic, you can peel off the paint when you're ready. Okay, so let's see, we want this brush. So I might not need as much as I think. It's just really to go around the outside edge. And let me just put a little bit of water. I've got a spray bottle here that I use just to add a bit of water to that. Don't need to be much. And we're just gonna go around the outside edge of the page and this bit here. So here we go. Let's see. There's the outside edge. So just really want a line, yeah? But the I find this journal really fun to work with because I'm then not precious about the pages, you know, in terms of, oh, let me try that, and oh, okay, you see. So if I had like one of those really pristine journals, I would not necessarily be as free in them as I can be in here. And it's not to say that if you really like a page that, you know, well, you can recreate it. You can recreate it on a canvas if you like. Let me see how we're getting on here. So that's the kind of idea. In case you didn't hear me. So now I've got the black paint out. I'm just going to go around this so that it's covered. You know what? It doesn't have to be painted. If it was the card, what you could do is just get your stamp pad and go around the edge, but I don't want to mess it up. Look, I've already got a bit of... Okay, so that is going to go there. The page does need to dry with the paint. And then I'm going to be adding additional doodlings. I'm thinking circles here. That's that. What I'm going to do is, while this is drying, I'm going to go around this with the silver pen or a white pen. Okay, so done all the doodling around the edge, and I like the way that we've got this raised bit, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed watching that. I've still got some of my bits, and yeah, what I'm planning to do with these is add these to card. So I'll do that and probably create a pocket. Maybe create a pocket with this and have it on here. But yeah, I enjoyed doing that. And for this page now, that will be added. So next time I'm going to add this to the page and work on it, but that's for next time. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed, and I look forward to seeing what you get up to.